What is up the world? It's me, Paul Janiak here, and today what I'm planning on doing is I'm planning on doing a little bit of a paper airplane montage. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to be throwing some paper airplanes outside, seeing how far they can go for my vlog today. Yeah. So right now I was supposed to go and give you a little bit of a speed up version of my montage, but, well, one, I don't have a speed up version. Yeah, that's right. I already said it. You don't have to say it for me. And two, my first video got corrupted, so therefore I couldn't really fix the whole airplane thing. So I kind of already made them. A little bit sorry. I have 4 of them. I'll show you. So, one, it's amazing. These are all the same plane. I know it's kind of a good thing. That's really the only good plane I can actually make. And there's this Goliath. I got this for my birthday and when I was 10. My brother gave it to me, and yeah, I'll be doing this outside. What I mean to say is, yeah, I will see you outside. What is up, everybody? I'm back. I'm at the place that I kind of wanted to be. Bad news. It started to rain a little bit. Some of my paper airplanes got wet. As you can see, it's kind of raining. Yeah, I don't really have a waterproof anything to do this, so I might just make this video a little bit quicker. I'm not going to end it here like I did yesterday. That's because it was kind of far. This is just kind of a little bit off of where I am. But yeah, so I'm just probably going to fly the Behemoth. So I will see you guys when I do that at the top of that hill. Yes. Bye-bye. See ya. What is up, everybody? I'm here again, and I just kind of wanted to say, yep, okay. Here's the airplane, and I am ready to launch. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna just turn this thing around, just put this down, and spin it around. Oh, right. Gosh dang it. Oh, right, okay. So here's the plane, and there it goes. Holy shit. Okay. This isn't working as well as I kind of wanted it to. So, take off! Oh my god. Oh shit. Alright. This is kind of hard to do. Normally I have somebody else holding the camera. But apparently, yeah, that sucked. Let me just fix the wings here a little bit. Alright. Okay. So yeah, this is my park. Fucking rain. Okay, here we go. And right. No, don't fly away, Mr. Plane. Alright. Okay. I don't know why I say alright like that. Just sounds badass. There's my bag. It has all the paper airplanes in it, but unfortunately, as shit happens, it rained, the planes got wet. I can't really do anything about it. Let's do it again and throw it. It flies pretty well. Okay. Right. This is amazing. I like this. This is going well. Up the hill. Up the hill. Okay. Alright. Next throw. This I'm gonna try to throw it this way, except I'm just gonna drop it, really. Well, thanks, Mr. Plane. You're making me look like an idiot. I said there was like wind going this way, so hopefully something would have done something, but apparently this plane has different ideas. So yeah, that's that. Right. Okay. And son of a bitch. Going to fix the airplane. In fact, there's probably an airplane in the sky right now. Okay, next row. It's going to, oh shit. And here we go. Ah, how rude, Mr. Wen. Fine, I'm gonna throw you off a different angle this time. And that way. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so as it turns out, I'm kind of the exploring person, and I always kind of want to explore this forest a little bit. Okay. Walking in, everything looks normal. The fuck is this? Whoa. This is where all the drugs are being had. Probably. So much for don't litter. Jesus. Sorry, guys. Thought I heard something. The hell? Okay. This is freaking creepy. I'm not gonna leave. Never actually seen this part of the woods yet. Looks like someone's nearby. I don't freaking doubt it. And back out. Okay. There's the plane. Yeah, plane, I'm talking to you. You suck ass. So, ready, Mr. Plane? And fly! Fuck. Well, now back into the haunted forest. Oh, it's only right there. Gotta be more cautious. I swear to God, I can hear somebody. Fucking clowns. Okay, let me just shake it a little bit. Oh yeah, shake that booty. Shake that booty. Okay. Grab this motherfucker. You guys have like a freaking night vision cam on this or something? Cause look, I swear to God, I can hear somebody, and I know somebody's around. Not a fool. I heard a stick. Yes, I know. I heard a stick, just like my last video. Sticks with friends, even though it's supposed to be pronounced tricks, cause I know how to spell. Actually, I'm actually pretty good at spelling. It's just freaking autocorrection, not my ass. He was like, yeah, no, I don't want to let you have any fun, and therefore you, well, yeah, he just kind of autocorrected it. So yeah, that's that. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way over over there. I do see people. How nice. Where are they? No. Walkway, yeah, those are the people. Okay, yeah, I do see people. I'm gonna go more over there to be filming, because as it turns out, I'm not very good at this yet. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna pause it here, and I will see you guys once I go over there and those sketchy ass motherfudges move away. So, see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back from the dead of outside. Yeah. There's a little bit of a problem. I paused the video because a whole bunch of people came. It started raining, so I waited a little bit. But then those people that I showed you, they did not leave, and then a whole bunch of other people came, and I was like, I can't really fly a giant ass plane around this freaking park. So yeah. Here's me apologizing for ending the video really fast. And I just want to say, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much, and I will see you. Bye.